Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer and welcome to the lecture 8 of HCI series. And in this we are learning about the GUI, which is graphical user interface, in which we have the icons and basically the graphics representing the functions and other workings of the system, right? So GUI must have a color harmony. So whenever you are developing a GUI, it should be pleasant in experience to your user, and the harmony is basically the pleasant in experience. So whenever you see something, you kind of feel happiness when it has certain harmony, and nature has the harmony, of course. When you see something downward from a mountain, so you kind of feel happiness, right? Because nature follow the harmony by the color scheme, right? And so this harmony can be achieved by following analogous color scheme. So these are basically the color scheme which has a circle, and you can just use this color scheme to make your GUI pleasant, right? So use opposite color scheme. So this analogous color scheme has this functionality to mix up opposite colors, right? And for giving a better reading experience, so now we are dealing with the text of your website. So use 9 to 12 font size, and these are basically after a result of a big survey or research, right? So when you use 9 to 12 font size, so your user can read faster, and this can be a really great experience for the user. And use 3 to 5 line spacing, and these are for the text based section of your web page, right? So that's it for the lecture 8, and I will meet you in the lecture 9 of HCI. Thanks for watching.